Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will take a look at Durable AI. So Durable AI allows us to create a website in 30 seconds with AI. So if you're a business who would like to create your own website very quickly and start using it for marketing, advertisement and all of that, you can easily create this using Durable AI. So there has been more than 2 million websites already, and all we need to do is just fill in a few information, and then we can customize it and start marketing straight away. So here are some of the sample websites generated, and without further ado, let's go ahead and generate our own website. So I'm going to click get started. So at the beginning, Durable AI will take a look at where you're currently located. You can actually change this. Say for example, let's change this to, let's go for London. There you are, save this. Then we can enter the type of business that we want. So let's say I am a barbershop or business. You can also take a look at some of the suggestions here. So if we click this, we can see some suggestions that a Durable will give you. If you want to see more, we can click here as well. Now let's go back to barbershop and then let's click next. Now we can enter the business name. If we don't already have one, we can take a look at some suggestions right here. And as you can see here, it's already trying to figure out some images relating to our business. So let's say I'll choose this one. And here we are. It's automating everything. And then once it's ready, we can see it. Here is our barbershop business. So our name is Cut and Trim Co. And then we have some description at the start. We have our contact right here. We have some reviews, the kind of services that we have. So haircut, beard trim, shave, location, contact information, and our about us at the bottom. As you can see here, we've managed to quickly generate this. And then of course they have the trademark right here, made with Durable. So as you can see, while I'm hovering all of this, you can see that we can regenerate each section that we want. So say for example, I want to regenerate the front page. And here you go. So I prefer this one. Here's the title of our business and then the location. And I also quite like this as well. Again, everything is super customizable. If we don't like the feels of this current website, we can actually regenerate the entire thing as well by clicking on regenerate up here. So I'll go ahead and click that. It will now once again run through its AI system, so it will start generating all of the different sections of our website. And here we are. So our website is ready once again. So here it is. You can see it's not only chosen different stock images, it has also changed the style of the fonts and the color scheme as well. Now let's say that we like this website, we can further customize this by clicking on the top right button right here. And let's go ahead and sign up or log in if we already have an account. After signing up, you can see that this is our business right here. If we want to generate another website, we can create a new business. And as you can see, since this is a free trial, we have 90 days left to use this. You can also change the image right here by clicking on this icon, and we're able to use all of these stock images. So I did quite like this one, so I'll use this instead. And we'll click insert. And here we are. So we can either edit this business website right here, where we can make it public, or we can also manage users or even delete the website itself. We can see that we are here in the editor right now, and we have unlocked a few more customizable items. So we can change each of the sections that we have. We can edit whatever is written in there, or we can move all the different sections if we wanted. Now, if we take a look at the buttons here on the top right, so what was generated at the beginning is a home page. We can add additional pages if we wanted to. So we can, add information about the page. We can ask AI to do it for us. So I'll click generate. We can add different labels, a unique URL identifier. We can add in headers and footers and also some SEO. And again, we can easily generate this using AI. So I'm just gonna click generate. You can see here. So this is what it would look like if you search Google. And then we can also generate a description. Now, before we can click save, we need to provide all of this. So this would be the next page. So as a valid slug, let's just put next page. And now let's save this. So you can see here, it's generated this page right here. So it is quite empty at the moment. But as you can see, we've managed to create another page. What else can we do? So if we take a look here, we can actually change what device output would look like. So at the moment, it's a large desktop. If I click on desktop small, we can see what our website looks like. If I go on tablet portrait, this is what it would look like if someone was to use a tablet, and also the same if someone was to use a phone. As you can see, it's automatically resized everything to fit your screen or whatever screen or device you're using. We also have the chance to regenerate everything again if we would like. We have our settings, we have our support, and we have the chance to view the website. If we go on settings, you can see here, you can see that we can customize things a lot more. So we can change our button style, which is this one. So if I were to change this to as an outline, as a square, then change the background to something a little bit more brighter, you can go ahead and do that. You can also change the fonts of our website. So at the moment it's at Oswald and Quattrocento. So let's change this to say Dancing Scripts. So you can see it's automatically adjusted all of this. We can also add an icon if you want to that allows us to be identified on our website as well. So I'm just gonna save the changes right here. Now let's say that we changed our mind in terms of the overall view of our website. We can go ahead and regenerate everything. So if we click this, we will get this warning saying that it will delete the current website and generate or create something new with all of the same context that we have. So if I click confirm and regenerate, we can see that everything is highly customizable. Again, we have some galleries here. We can regenerate that. You can see everything is highly customizable. Now let's go ahead and view this as a website. So let's click on this button right here on the top right. And if you could read this, this will be a temporary link to view our website. So it will refresh every 24 hours. And if you want to have our own domain, then we would need to upgrade to a durable plan. So let's go ahead and go to website. And here is our website. So as you can see, we've generated all of this. I did not have to think of what images I would use, the customizing of the themes, what the website would need to look like, what kind of fonts it would look like, all of the different sections. All of this have been automatically generated with Durable AI. So now we can focus more on what is needed for us, which is to run our business. Now let's go back to our website, and I'm going to exit the editor here. I'm going to show you what other things that we can do with Durable AI. So we've managed to create our website, and as you can see here, on the website panel, we can preview our website. We have some analytics which we can do, and some SEO ratings as well. And also we can choose the domain. If we take a look at marketing, so we can create promotions specifically for Google Ads, Facebook post, tweet, or an email. So if I click create on this, you can see, it's already generated what kind of post it should be about. So, it's about a barbershop. Let's try this. Now, Durable AI would create a copyright all of this, as you can see, this is already a really good ad for Facebook. There's not a lot of thinking on our side. We can use the power of AI to generate or automate all of this. We can then take a look at what this would look like, say for a tablet or a mobile. After we've saved this, we can go ahead and copy the content. So we can copy the post that we have and the image itself, and then we can post this now in Facebook. On here on the top right, we can also take a look at some brands. So if we have our own specific logo, we can upload it here. Some reviews in here. So this is of course only available as a business plan. And really quickly, as a free trial, you're limited to all of this, but we have the starter plan and the business plan available as well. Now let's take a look at CRM. So we can of course keep in contact of everyone that we're connected with, all of our clients. So we can add contacts or we can import them, and it keeps everything all intact. And if we take a look at invoicing, we can create an invoice already. So as you can see, Durable AI does not just create websites, but it creates a business with you so that you can get everything set up and you can continue on with your business. One of the newest features of Durable AI is the assistant itself. So this allows us to find all of the options we can do with our website or with our business. And the assistant will allow you to quickly find all of those items. Then if we go here on the bottom, of course, here are all of the information of your business. You can add users if you want. Again, this is only for a plan that we have. We can take a look at some insurance policies, structure of the business, and of course our plan as well. So there you go. So you can create many websites that you want. You can keep all of this as one business. So you've managed to generate a website in under 30 seconds. But not only that, you've managed to create an entire business for you to get started really, really quickly. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.